In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research any topic using Notebooklm. We'll walk through a simple workflow you can use every time you start a new research project, whether it's for school, work, or your own curiosity. By the end, you'll know how to set up a notebook, add sources, get a clear overview, ask focused questions, and save the insights that matter most. First, let's create your notebook. Open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Once the page loads, look for the button that says New Notebook. Go ahead and click that. Think of a notebook here as a container for a single topic or project. You might be researching a historical event, a business idea, or a scientific concept. Keeping each topic in its own notebook will make things much easier to manage later on. Next, you'll add your sources. As soon as the notebook is created, you should see an Add Sources pop up. This is where you bring in the material you want Notebooklm to analyze. You can upload a PDF or text file by dragging it in from your computer or by browsing and selecting it. You can also choose Website, paste in a URL, and click Insert to pull content from a page online. If you use Google Drive, you can connect a document or slide deck directly. Choose one of these options to start, and then wait a moment. Your sources will appear in the left sidebar when they're ready. If you're working on a bigger project, you can repeat this process to add several sources over time. Once your sources are loaded, it's time to generate an overview. Look for the notebook guide, usually at the bottom right or as a main card in the interface. Here, you'll see options to help you quickly understand your material. Click on Deep Dive Conversation or Generate to create an AI-powered audio summary. This is great if you like to listen and absorb the big picture. Then click Summary to get a concise text overview. This written summary gives you a high-level understanding of what's in your sources before you dig into the details. Now you're ready to ask specific questions. Scroll down to the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Type in a focused question based on what you want to learn, like what are the 3 main risks mentioned in these files, or anything that fits your topic. Press Enter and Notebooklm will respond based only on the sources you've added, which helps keep answers grounded in your material. As you get useful answers, don't lose them. In the AI's response, look for the pin icon in the top right corner of the message. Click that pin to save the response as a note in your central workspace. Pinned notes make it easy to come back later, organize your findings, and build outlines, reports, or presentations from the key insights you've collected.